In the extreme cold of Siberia, gray wolves can take down prey many times their own body weight. Thanks to their ability to hunt in organized and efficient packs, Siberian gray wolves have become top predators in one of the most challenging environments in the world. A pack of wolves can take down prey weighing 700 kilograms or more, while an adult wolf weighs only 30 to 50 kilograms. Research shows that Siberian wolves have a success rate of 20 to 30% when hunting large prey, an impressive number in the animal kingdom.